Hello and welcome to the eWay-CRM tutorial series. Today I'll show you how to integrate eWay-CRM with Microsoft Teams. If you activate eWay-CRM for Microsoft Teams, your CRM will become available as a new icon in the Teams panel, making it easier to manage tasks and communicate with colleagues. Let's dive in. The first step is to activate the eWay-CRM for Microsoft Teams. You can find it in the Apps section where you simply search for it, click on Add, and then confirm by clicking Add again. Let me quickly log in using my email address and a verification code that will be sent to me, and we are done. eWay-CRM will become available here. I go straight to the contacts where I find our client I need to discuss with a colleague. I right-click on the contact and select Chat in Teams. Let me find the person and confirm. eWay-CRM opens Teams and adds a hyperlink that opens the contact. My colleague knows immediately who I am talking about. If you press any key, I like to press a key up, the hyperlink changes to this card. Let's log in again real quick to get detailed information about the person. And there we go. Now we both see the contact and can start working together. Hey Patty, I am about to contact this customer and ask for a referral. Is it safe? You are working on something. Sure, Andrew is great. Please tell him I will get in touch with him next week. Absolutely. To save myself time, I'll use another useful feature. I can't get to it right away, but I can turn this message into a task. Click on the three dots next to the message, select More Actions, and then choose Create Task in eWay-CRM. A new task opens with a pre-filled subject from the message. If the message were longer, the rest would automatically appear in the note field. Let me just change the subject and select the contact. And we are done. This is how you can efficiently integrate Microsoft Teams with eWay-CRM, allowing you to work with tasks, communicate with colleagues, and track important items without switching between applications. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you found it helpful. If so, feel free to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more eWay-CRM tutorials. If you're watching on our website, I'd encourage you to bookmark the resources page where you'll find all of our videos. You can also join our Reddit group and chat with other users. And most importantly, be effective with eWay-CRM.